What's that, Macy? Oh my gosh. What happened to your arms?
Mommy.
What happened to your arms?
Mommy.
What happened to you?
Mommy. What?
I think it's a... Oh, what's that?
Mommy.
Zombie bit you?
Mommy, what?
That's so nasty. I think it's a... What yan? You will have on your face. What is that? That one? Yuck. Jill Rose, can you help your brother?
No.
Why?
Mommy. The pipe. I get it.
Oh my gosh.
Mommy, even the wipe.
What happened to your arm?
Mommy, wipe. Wipe. Wipe.
I think you will become a zombie later.
Wipe. 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 Wipe.
Is that a worm? The worm is open. There's a zipper, oh. The worm is opening your skin.
Mommy, what?
Are you scared? Oh my
Wipe.
gosh.
Wipe. Wipe.
The worm is opening your skin. Look, oh, there's a zipper. Good luck, Jordan. You will become a zombie. Are you ready to become a zombie?
No.
Why? You don't want to be a zombie?
Wipe. No. Wipe.
But we cannot wipe that anymore. It's okay.
Mommy, clean now.
We cannot clean that. We can't erase that. Look.
Mommy, no.
Macy, can I touch it?
No. No.
Why? Because it's a boo-boo. Come on, wait. I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna close it, okay? No,
No.
I'm gonna close it.
I said what?
I'm gonna close it, okay?
What?
Can you close it? Macy.
Mommy.
I'm gonna close it lang. Why?
No.
I'm gonna close it.
No.
I'm gonna close the zipper.
No.
It's okay. I'm gonna close. Come on. Wait, Kuya, can you close can you close Jordan's arm?
You close this.
Please.
I will. No.
Oh my gosh. That hurt? Oh my gosh.
No.
Oh.
Mommy.
What happened, Kuya, to Jordan? Can you kiss the boo-boo?
No.
Why?
Mommy, that's a gusty. The bell.
Jo Rose, can you kiss Kuya's boo-boo?
No, Mommy. The
Please.
bell. No. Mommy.
Can you kiss Jordan's boo-boo?
No, this.
Please.
This, Mommy.
Kuya, can you kiss Jordan's boo-boo,
No,
please?
this.
What will you do?
This. Mommy.
Come on, we're gonna fry that.
No. We need the water.
We cannot erase that with water. Go. Okay. Macy. Okay. Go. Okay. Kuya, help your brother.
And the water.
Go.
And what?
Go.
And wipe. Okay.
Wash your hand.
No, this.
Go.
Help.
You can do that.
I can't.
Kuya, help your brother.
The biggest one. Hey!
Is it working?
It's not working. It's not working. Why not working? Why not working?
I told you.
Why not working?
Macy? I told you, Macy.
Why not working?
Macy. Oh no.
Why not working?
Because we will become a zombie.
No, mommy. No. I will not become a zombie. Mommy,
You want-
mommy, this.
You want to become a zombie?
No, this.
Oh no. It will
Mommy,
not
there,
work.
mommy.
It will not work. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it will.
I'm so sorry, Jordan.
Mommy,
I'm so... Macy, Jordan.
yeah.
Oh my gosh, the worm is eating your arm already.
No, that.
Oh, do not yell because you will become a zombie if you yell.
No,
Okay?
mommy.
Why?
I don't want to become a zombie.
You don't want to become a zombie?
No.
How about ano? You become a rat.
No.
You don't want to become a rat?
No.
Oh, what about this?
Yeah.
It says that you will become a worm na.
No.
You don't want to become a worm? Oh my gosh. You want mommy to help you?
Yeah,
Oh my gosh. What can I do to help you? This?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we'll try it. We'll try hard. You see?
Mommy, yes, it works. No,
You think so?
He not go there.
Oh.
Oh. No.
Oh no.
No,
You will become a rat
no,
if you
mommy.
don't get that no.
Mommy, I got a zombie. I will not become a zombie anymore.
You will not become a zombie?
No. That's mine.
Oh my gosh.
Mommy, hey, that's mine.
Yeah, the worm is eating your arm already.
Mommy, no.
Can you check it? Can I check it?
Uh,
Oh, just cover, okay?
Come, mommy. It's so cold.
You say bye-bye na to mommy because you will become a zombie later.
No.
Kiss na mommy. I love
I
you.
love you.
Just cover that ha.
And you not come a zombie. Cover. Now. Mommy, don't cover, okay? There it.
Oh, okay. I don't want you to become a zombie.
Oh.
Because I'm gonna miss my Jordan if you become a zombie. Oh. Where will you go if you become a zombie?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I
I know where you go
don't
when you
know.
become a zombie.
When I become a zombie.
You're gonna live in the
Mommy,
witch house.
Mommy, when it's a good zombie.
You're a bad zombie because the worm is eating your
Good.
No,
Good
there's no
zombie.
good. There's no good zombie, only bad zombie.
Good zombies. Sorry.
Are you good?
Good zombies.
You are not naughty. Don't be naughty so you will not become a zombie, okay?
Mommy. Good zombies, okay?
You want to become a good zombie?
Good zombies, okay, mommy? Good zombies.
But if you become a bad zombie,
No, good zombie, mommy.
yeah. But if you become a good zombie, I'm not gonna go near with you because I'm gonna get scared of you.
No, mommy. No, mommy.
Because you are becoming a zombie already. You have a black eyes here. Oh.
No, mommy. I have no black eyes, mommy. I have no black eyes.
But you have worm in your arm.
No.
Look. That's so disgusting and nasty. What can you say about it? If you become a zombie, I'm gonna go far, far away.
No, I get be sad.
You're gonna get sad? Why?
I get be sad.
Hmm? You will get sad?
Yeah.
Why? You don't want mommy to go
Take
far,
off.
far. You don't want mommy to go far, far away?
Mommy, take off now.
Okay.
Mommy, I can work at that.
Oh no. So it means you will become a zombie.
No, mommy.
And if you become a zombie, I'm gonna go far, far away because I'm gonna get scared of you.
Mommy, Band-Aids.
I'm gonna get scared of you.
Band-Aids.
I'm gonna run away now, okay?
No.
Oh, do not cry. I'm gonna run away now, okay? Take care of yourself, okay? Can you take care of yourself? Will you take care of yourself?
Mommy. Yeah,
Will you take care of yourself?
yeah,
And I'm gonna go far, far away, okay? Okay?
yeah, mommy.
You take care of yourself, okay?
Yeah, mommy.
I'm gonna go outside now because I'm gonna get scared of you now, okay? Oh, you say bye-bye na to mommy. You kiss mommy na. Love you. Do not cry. Do not cry. Because you are becoming a zombie already. Bye-bye.
I can't close the eyes.
Bye-bye.
I can't close the eyes. I can't close the eyes.
What?
I can't close the eyes. I can't close the eyes.
You let me close my eyes?
No, mommy.
You want me to close my eyes?
No, mommy.
But I'm scared.
Mommy, bye. No black eyes.
I'm scared of you.
No.
I'm going far away. Do not cry. Take care of yourself, okay?
No.
Look, oh, your arm.
But Band-Aids.
No, I'm scared of you. You have a tail already.
Mommy, belt.
What?
Belt.
What will you do to the belt? What will you do to the belt?
Tie.
Ah, you want mommy to tie you?
No.
Ah, you gonna tie this?
No. I can
my-
die there. Mommy, die. Back.
We gonna cut this na lang.
No. No.
This, oh, we gonna cut this.
No. No, mommy. No, I don't want the cut. I want the cut, mommy. No, mommy.
But you will become a zombie.
Belt.
Oh no.
Mommy, belt.
This is the worm because look, this oh.
Belt.
Wait, I'm gonna explain. This is the zombie teeth. Look, this is the zombie teeth. It's okay, we're gonna cover it.
Okay.
Oh no. Because you know what happened to your arm? Huh? The worm gets inside your arm because you're being naughty and you are not eating rice. If you eat a lot of rice, that will fade away. Okay, you eat lots of rice, okay?
Lots of rice?
Yeah, lots of rice.
Lots of rice. So I not here.
So you will not become a zombie.
So I not be a zombie.
Yeah, because if you don't eat rice, you will become a zombie because the worm wants the worm wants children who don't eat rice. Are you one of the children who don't eat rice?
I will eat rice.
Lots of rice, okay?
Okay.
So it will fade away, okay?
Okay.
I love you.
1 second.
Chicken?
Yeah.
Okay. So it will fade away, okay? So it will disappear, okay?
Okay. I already eat French fries.
You eat lots of rice, okay?
Okay. Mommy.
I love
Call
you.
Daddy.
I love you.
Call Daddy.
It will disappear if you eat lots of rice.
Mommy, call Daddy.
Oh, because you have oh. You have
Why
black
that,
eye.
Mommy?
Zombie! Zombie wants to get you now.
No.
Then eat lots of rice, okay?
No, that's Daddy.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
It's not Daddy. Daddy's in the office.
Daddy in the office.
Yeah.
That's not a zombie.
Yeah, that is a zombie.
No.
You are not naughty, right? Zombie! Jordan is not naughty. Please don't get Jordan, please. Okay! Oh my gosh.